So congratulations on getting access to this video course where I am going to walk you through on how to build your list virally on autopilot after you have set everything up. All right, so this is video number 1, which is the introduction, and I'm going to give you a quick overview of this video course so you know exactly what to expect, and that way all the missing pieces of the puzzle are able to be placed together once you know exactly what to expect. Now, before I jump right in, I want to talk about mindset, because a lot of times when it comes to building your list, a lot of people think, I want to get the biggest list as I can. Now, I really don't want you to think about the biggest list. I really want you to think about is conversions. And what I mean by that is having a list that actually converts into sales. Now, there are different types of lists, which I'll talk about in video number 1, but really focus on conversions, not how big your list is, if that makes sense. Now let's talk about a quick overview of the video course so that you can kind of get a bird's eye view of what's inside. So obviously this is video number 1, video number 2, we're going to talk about the different types of customer lists. There are actually 2 major types, and I'll talk about that. And we're really going to focus on one particular type. Video number 3, we're going to talk about the highest converting list and how it works. So we're going to basically build upon each other. So make sure that you watch all the videos step by step, videos 1 through 9. And of course, video number 4, we're going to talk about the formula for the high value thank you offers, which fits into the overall formula. And video number 5, we're going to talk about finding vendors to piggyback on. Video number 6, we're going to talk about vendor and buyer analysis. Number 7, we're going to talk about creating quality thank you offers. And of course, video number 8, we're going to talk about building a list. So after everything we've talked about in the previous areas, we're going to talk about actual building the list as far as vendors go. And as you're waiting for vendors to say yes, we will talk about building a list as an affiliate for video number 9. All right, so now that you kind of understand the basics, let's jump right in and talk about the different types of lists.